When doing my trailer build, one big consideration is weight. I want to know how much this thing weighs. Now, I'm sure I can find out once it's all done and in the trailer. I can bring it to some, I don't know, gravel yard or something like that. But to get an idea of how much it weighs, this is what I'm doing. I have a fish scale here, and it's going to weigh up to 50 pounds. So what I do is I build something. It's not cooperating here. There we go. Okay. Oh, I got to turn that off. Got to reset that. Okay, so there we go. It's at 0. And I want to weigh this wall. So I'll pick roughly about a center. I lift up and put it on this scale, then climb up. And that front wall is 4.4 kilograms. Now you might be saying, oh, well, what about the screws and the bolts and all that sort of stuff? I'll show you what I'm doing for that. I've been using this scale. No, I didn't rob this from the kitchen. I bought it myself. And let's say if I had, let's just pick this piece of board. It's 275 grams. I did weigh 10 screws a while ago, and I think that's like 35 grams. So it gives me an idea of, of the weight of smaller items. And then what I do is I just keep a tally of it on my book over here. And right there, keep tally of it. So at least I'll have an idea of rough estimate and pretty close estimate of what the trailer weighs as I'm building it. So it won't be any big major surprises when it's built. Thanks for watching.